How to zoom in and out of CapCut PC. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can zoom in and zoom out of your video in CapCut PC. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So let's say that I want to have a zoom in effect on this video right here. So what I'll need to do is on your timeline, select a place where you want to begin with the zoom. So let's say that I want the zoom to begin right here. And if I want that, after I set the position on the top right section right here, you need to be on video and then on basic. After you're on this basic option, here you will see an option called transform. So you can check this out. You can tap on transform and there you will see an option that says add a keyframe. So if you tap on add a keyframe, it will add this bright blue diamond right here. So what you can do after this is just go to another position, like let's say it's right here. I just go here, and what I can now do is make sure that your video is selected. Now you can change the scale like this. After you change the scale and release it, you'll notice that there is now another diamond. Now you can keep on doing this. Now you can change the position as well. So let's say that I want to change the position right here. So what I can do is I can do it like this and zoom in even more. Doing that should add another keyframe. Now let's say that I want now since this is gonna go away after this, now what I can do is on this position again, I can decrease the scale. Now this is basically zooming out. So I can again change the position and add another frame which will zoom out all the way. So let me change this, make this correct here. Let's fit this to frame. Let's say I'll just change it to 100 from here. And doing that, I'll just change this right here. And that should basically do it. Now, if I play the video now from the beginning, let me change this. So the scale is not working for some reason. So yeah, let me zoom out. Now, if I play the video like this, you'll notice after the keyframe enters, you will have your zoom in and zoom out. There we go. And that's basically how you zoom in and zoom out on your CapCut PC. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.